There's a concept called Mr. Fix It, and I first came across this when I watched that advertisement or the commercial on television in which they talked about mending leaking roofs and leaking pipes. While conversing with people, we are that Mr. Fix It. It comes into basically into relationships which are between a husband and a wife, or a boyfriend and a girlfriend, but basically it can be applied to various relationships as well, including your relationships with strangers. Mr. Fix It is a particular situation in which a person is always on the fix it mode. That means he or she is always trying to solve a particular problem. But in a relationship, in a conversation, you have to admit that problems do arise, but maybe the solution of the problem is not ready. The solution of the problem needs to wait. So that is why I say that it is always a perfect communication when it is between fire and ice, where one person is, a very hot headed person, and the other person is cool as a cucumber. So don't try to be Mr. Fix It. Let the time of the solution arrive, and then and only then can that solution be dealt with. Before that, let that problem linger for a period of time, and maybe on its own it will, dampen down, it will mellow down, and it will be solved. Maybe you won't need a solution at all. And if you need it, you have to wait for that particular right time or the right occasion. So don't try to be Mr. Fix It, and be a wonderful communicator. Fall in love with communication.